I'll show you the easiest way to turn any Spotify track into a ringtone on both Android and iPhone without needing a computer. If you're ready to customize your phone, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Even if you have Spotify Premium, you've probably noticed there is no Set as Ringtone button in the app. That's because Spotify encrypts its music files so you can't use them outside the app. But there are still simple, creative workarounds to get it done. Let's start with Android. Since we can't export files directly from Spotify, we need a local copy of the song's audio. The cleanest way is to record the specific section of the song you want. Open the Smart Recorder app on your phone or use your phone's built-in voice recorder. Start recording, head over to Spotify, and play your song. Make sure your volume is set to about 80% and that you are in a completely quiet room. Once you have your recording, save it. Now, open your Settings app and tap Sounds and Vibration. Tap on Ringtone, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select the recording you just made from your audio files, hit Done, and you're set. Now for iPhone. Because iOS is a bit more locked down, we'll use Apple's free GarageBand app to bridge the gap. First, record the Spotify song using your iPhone's built-in screen recorder. Make sure your system audio is on. Once recorded, go to the App Store and download GarageBand and a free video-to-audio converter app to turn your screen recording into an MP3. Open GarageBand, select the audio recorder tool, and tap the tracks icon in the top left to switch to the timeline view. Tap the loop icon in the top right, browse to your files, and drag your converted audio track onto the timeline. Trim the track to under 30 seconds. This is crucial because iOS will reject anything longer. Tap the down arrow in the top left and select My Songs to save it. Press and hold your project, tap Share, select Ringtone, and hit Export. Once exported, go to your iPhone settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then tap Ringtone, and your new track will be waiting at the top of the list. It takes an extra step, but grabbing a local recording and setting it through your system settings is the best way to work around these compatibility limits on both platforms. Which song did you choose for your new ringtone? Let me know in the comments below. Click this card for a curation of our best mobile phone video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.